Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to control same-site cookie behavior in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If certain websites aren't staying logged in, forms aren't working correctly, or third-party services are failing to connect, same-site cookie settings in Chrome might be the reason. Same-site cookies are a security feature that controls how cookies are sent with cross-site requests. While this improves privacy and security, it can sometimes break older websites or specific web tools. Let's configure it. First, open Google Chrome, click the address bar, and type chrome://flags, then press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. In the search box at the top, type SameSite. You'll see flags related to cookie behavior, such as SameSite by default cookies and cookies without SameSite must be secure. If you're troubleshooting login or integration issues, change these settings from default or enabled to disabled. After adjusting the flags, click the relaunch button at the bottom of Chrome. The browser will restart and apply the new cookie behavior. Now test the website that was having issues. So try logging in again or using the feature that previously didn't work. If same-site restrictions were the cause, things should function normally now. If you only want to allow cookies for a specific website instead of changing global settings, go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Cookies and other site data. Scroll down to Sites that can always use cookies and add the website there. This is a safer long-term option. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install any available updates. New versions improve compatibility and security handling. Remember, disabling same-site protections reduces security slightly, so only do this for testing or when necessary. If needed, you can restore default behavior by going back to chrome://flags and setting everything back to default, then relaunching Chrome. And that's how you control Google Chrome same-site cookie behavior step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.